Thank you for joining us. This video is part of a series to help you set up and use your Revitive Circulation Booster. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Electrode Body Pads. Revitive comes with one pair of reusable body pads, so you can relieve aches and pains in other parts of your body, like your back, shoulders and knees. First, attach the ends of the body pads to the body pad cord. Then plug the other end of the body pad cord into the opening on the side of Revitive. Be aware, you won't be able to use the foot pads while the body pad cord is plugged in. Remove the plastic liner from the body pads by peeling it off carefully. After use, always put the pads back into the liner to store and protect your pads. Press the sticky body pads onto the area you wish to apply the electrical stimulation to. In this case, the knee. A pad placement chart can be found in the user manual. Start to increase the intensity level using the remote control, going from 1 to maximum 99. When used on dry, non-oily skin, the body pads are reusable up to 20 to 30 times before needing to be replaced. If the body pads start to lose their stickiness, just rub a few droplets of water onto the surface. This will extend their life. As you can see, you can easily target other aches and pains with the Electrode Body Pads. For more help on this and other topics, please visit revitive.com/learn.